Always keep fresh lemons on hand. Don't freeze or cook them, which makes preparation much easier. Start the recipe by adding 12 lemons into this container. Use regular lemons, but if you don't have them, use Sicilian lemons. They work just as well. Measure out 3 tablespoons of vinegar and pour water over the lemons until they're completely covered. Prepare an incredible recipe that will definitely amaze you. Soak the lemons in the vinegar for about 10 minutes. This helps remove any impurities from the peel. After the time is up, drain all the water and move on to the next step. Use a knife to cut off the ends of each lemon. Discard those parts immediately. They won't be used. Slice the lemons into rounds, making the slices medium thickness. If you prefer thicker or thinner slices, adjust them to your liking. Finish slicing all the lemons, but set aside 2 for later in the recipe. Save these 2 lemons for a special purpose at the end of the preparation. You'll understand why soon. Start placing the lemon slices into sterilized glass jars. Make sure the jars are sterilized. It's essential for keeping the recipe fresh for longer. Fill the jars carefully. Finish placing the slices into the last jar, which should now be full of the sliced lemons. Add 2 tablespoons of salt to each jar. Sprinkle the salt slowly, ensuring it's well distributed. Just like this. Complete this step to guarantee the flavor and preservation of the recipe. Enjoy this practical, delicious recipe, perfect for making at home. Pour half a cup of vinegar into each jar. Let the vinegar enhance the flavor and aid in preservation. Repeat this process with all the jars. Done, all the jars now have vinegar added. Place a bay leaf into each jar. Then fill each jar to the top with water. Ensure all jars are filled to the same level. Finish filling all the jars with water. Move on to the next step. Take the lemons set aside earlier, now you need them. Squeeze the juice from those 2 lemons directly into the jars with the slices. Let this enhance the flavor of the preserve. Finish squeezing the lemons and seal the jars tightly. Your recipe is ready. Look at how beautiful this lemon preserve is. Gently shake the jars to help the salt dissolve faster. Store the jars in the refrigerator. Let them rest for at least 3 days before opening. After this time, enjoy the preserve. Take a jar and place the lemon slices onto a plate to serve. Make it at home and see how delicious it is. You'll absolutely love it.